In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the color of this background in just few steps in Photoshop. First, select the subject using any of your favorite selection tool. Try to make a perfect selection. I have already made a selection, now I'm going to load it. After making a selection, now go to the layer panel and create a solid color adjustment layer with the selection. Choose any color. Now select the color layer mask and invert it using the shortcut key Ctrl and I. Then change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Now you can select any color you want in the background. Let's try changing background color from another image. And it worked perfectly in this image as well. And that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.